Think bumper damage just cosmetic? Think again. Even a minor fender bender can cause damage that you can't see, and driving could put you and your vehicle at risk. Here's why. So what does your bumper actually do? Your bumper isn't just there to look good. It's designed to help absorb the impact at low-speed collisions, helping protect critical components like your headlights, radiator, engine parts, and even safety systems. If your bumper is damaged, these systems may not work as intended. Now, if your bumper only has a couple small scratches or paint scuffs and is still securely attached, it may be safe to drive, though it is still a good idea to have your vehicle inspected. You should avoid driving your vehicle if your bumper is loose or falling off, cracked or has a hole in it, or is rubbing against the tire of your vehicle. One of the biggest misconceptions is that if your bumper looks fine, everything underneath is good. But in reality, even a low-speed collision can cause damage in your impact absorbers, reinforcement bars, mounting brackets, crash sensors, and frame components. With a professional inspection, we can identify structural damage before it becomes a bigger or more expensive problem. At Patrick Auto Body and Collision Centers, our technicians inspect both the visible and hidden areas of your vehicle and determine whether repairs, replacement, or ADAS recalibration are needed. So if you've recently been in an accident or just need an inspection, schedule your service today with Patrick Auto Body and Collision Center.